Hi, I'm Mark with American No-Sell Furniture. Today I want to show you how to assemble your swivel recliner, the Madrid Mocha or the Madrid Beach. It's a 709/3/8 recliner. We want to take it out of the box and all the packaging. Then you're going to have your arms. They're labeled right or left. And then the recliner itself has the labels right or left for where your arms go. These arms have a hole on both ends here, and it's surrounded by these staples in the shape of a square so that you know where the arm holes are at. There are other holes here, but disregard those. Those are just part of the manufacturing process, but they are not the holes that are used. It's these two towards the ends of the arm. So you'll get your bag of hardware, and you're going to have your grab handle that mounts on the side. We'll come back to. Then this bag of hardware is going to have 4 of these threaded bolts. That you're going to want to thread into the hole here. There's a fitting in there that'll thread right into. So now that you've got your arm and you've got the pins for your arm inserted, go ahead and take your arm and put it on the right or left side that it specifically goes to. Push the arm on, and then the bolts will go through the arm. What you'll need now in your hardware bag is a specific type of nut that's going to thread on there and tighten it down. You'll need to reach your hand in the arm here. Thread that nut onto the bolt and tighten it down. Then your grab handle has a screw hole in the top here. Go ahead and slide that on. Comes with the new bolt. And it comes with the tool, with the Phillips head and a Allen wrench head. On the other side, Go ahead and thread that in and tighten it up, and you're done assembling your recliner. Thanks.